Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your vector files from SVGator exports, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your vector files from SVGator exports, open your web browser. Navigate to the SVGator website and log into your account. Once logged in, locate the My Projects section from the dashboard. Choose the project that contains the vector files you wish to back up. Click on the project to open it. In the project view, find the export options available. Select the format you want to export your vector files in, typically SVG or other compatible formats. After selecting the desired format, click the Export button. Your vector file will then be generated for download. Once the file is ready, click the download link. The file will be saved to your device's default download location. To ensure your backup is secure, navigate to your computer's file manager. Locate the downloaded SVGator file in the Downloads folder. Create a dedicated folder for your SVGator backups if you don't have one yet. Move the downloaded files into this designated backup folder. Consider renaming the files for easier identification if necessary. For added security, back up your folder to an external drive or a cloud storage service. Regularly repeat this process to maintain up-to-date backups of your vector files. By following these steps, you can effectively back up your vector files from SVGator exports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.